Hello, we are so glad you picked up your Belleville Public Library May Adult Craft Kit. If you have not yet registered for your Adult Craft Kit, you can do so at BellevilleLibrary.ca. There is a limit of one free craft kit per library card per month. In this video, we will demonstrate how to put together May's Craft, a lovely rolled paper flower card. Perfect for your mother, grandmother on Mother's Day, or for someone special in your life. Let's get started. The materials you'll find in your kit are one flower cutout, one piece of cardstock, and one piece of white paper. You'll also need a dab of white glue or a hot glue gun. The main part of this craft is rolling the flower. It's a bit tricky and may take you a few tries, and that's absolutely okay. Starting with the outer end of the spiral, begin to roll the paper into a tight roll. Keep the roll snug and make sure to keep the straight bottom side of the spiral flush. Once you get to the end of the spiral, you can loosen up the rolled flower as you like. If you are not happy with the flower, you can always unravel and start again. It can be tricky and might take a few tries. Don't give up. Once you are happy with your flower, use white glue or hot glue gun to cover the flat bottom of the flower and then seal it over with the circle at the end of the spiral. Now, if you'd like, you can add some curl to the petals using a toothpick, a skewer, or even just your fingers to lightly bend the petals. The flower is ready. Now let's prepare the card. Fold a rectangle piece of cardstock paper. Glue the piece of white paper onto the inside pages of the card. Glue your rolled flower to the front of the card. Write a message inside the card to your mother or grandmother or a person who is special to you. Tell them why they're special to you. And there you have your rolled paper flower card. We hope you've enjoyed this craft and we look forward to crafting with you again next month. See you then.